I've always wanted to do a career in sciences. I thought it'd be great to get some lab experience where I'd actually be getting to do real lab time using the actual equipment and just learning some more. I chose Harper Adams because it's got really good facilities for biology, which is what I want to do. It's got really good equipment and stuff, so that's why I chose it. I've been working on quantifying the number of lactobacillus DNA copies in pig faeces, and that basically involves extracting the DNA from the faeces. So you get the sample and then you use various chemicals to break open the cell and get the DNA out, and then once you've done that you add these magnetic beads. The DNA binds to the beads, and then you can use these other chemicals which wash off all the cell debris, so then you're just left with pure DNA. We use the polymerase chain reactor, which amplifies the DNA sample, makes loads of copies of it, and then you can measure the fluorescence of it to test how many copies and quantify it, so you get an exact number of DNA copies in a sample. I've really enjoyed it. It's given me loads of experience. I've learned a lot about scientific processes. I've learned loads of new practical skills, and it's a lot to talk about at interviews and on my CV and personal statement and stuff. So yeah, I've really enjoyed it.
It's been great to support Max's STEM Gold CREST Award here at Harper Adams. He's a fine example of the type of student that we would like to recruit. His results are actually going to be used in part of a wider project, so they've been really useful to have Max here for this 2 weeks. This next generation of PCR equipment really allows us to take the research from the labs down onto the farm and the clinical laboratory settings in veterinary practices. This also allows us to train the next generation of students who are going to be using these here at Harper Adams for when they actually start their future careers in practice.